Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Bitcoin address on Coinbase, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open your Coinbase account. On the home page, scroll down and tap Bitcoin. Here, tap the Wallet tab and tap Receive. You can now see the QR code and Bitcoin wallet address. Another method to find the Bitcoin address is to go to the home page and tap Send or Receive. Here, tap the Receive tab. The QR code and Bitcoin address is shown. And that's how you find Bitcoin address on Coinbase. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.